Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project Simple but Versatile Musical Horn, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see the project working in action.
Again this is so
Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project that you will learn more about while working on it. We can see the working of a musical horn. UM66IC is used to generate a musical tone that cannot be changed. This project can be used in a car, scooter, cycle, motorbike, or even as a call bell. The components used here are a 7809 voltage regulator, UM66 melody generator, LM386 low power audio amplifier, 1 ampere bridge rectifier, Zener diode and an LED. Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.